What's up guys, it's me Cindy here
And Julie.
and today we're going to be opening up a mini brand filming fridge set. First we're going to open up the fridge. The back. See that interior. Let's open it. Look.
Oh, we have there's lights in there.
I think that's like a UV or something.
There can't be UV. UV is like purple light. We've got a bunch of...
So what's the button at the back? What does it do? The button at the back.
There's no buttons, there's a switch.
Okay, switch.
Oh, there is a UV. So this is a UV. So it's like, you know, blue. This is a UV light, and this is a like normal LED light.
How about the bottom?
Oh,
Ooh, so cute.
I guess we need to open all of these small doors and big drawers.
So cute.
Now we should open up the blind bag.
See what's the instruction. So if you get the jello, it will look like this.
I guess these are.
I think it's like, you know, like the little compartment is like
The shelving.
yeah, the shelving.
Cool.
Let's open it.
So we can put them in. Switch it into the normal light.
Put the shelving.
I'm sure this one always goes underneath.
At the bottom.
Yeah, the vegetable. The vegetables. So that's the right.
Wait, just close the fridge for a sec.
Why?
Wait, just close the fridge.
No, wait.
Let's put these in.
The door disconnected. The door.
Wait, if you close it.
Ooh, we have magnets. Cool.
And these are...
And then what do we have? What little things do you have? Jelly pudding. Oh, so that's the instruction to make jelly. Oops. Slices of orange pieces or
orange pieces.
Slices, I guess. The drinks.
The scooper.
let's make our jelly.
Let's move the fridge out the way. Okay, so there was like iconic boards because to capture the moment, you know. Let's open this up. So then we get
Maybe.
mold. Look, maybe it's a little silicone mold. Then let's squeeze a little bit in, and then we layer it. Add a cutlery.
What are you doing?
Now we're like putting in the jelly into here, but we're gonna layer the
Oranges.
so that it's not too like clumped together.
So, orange.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of easy to put in though. Orange. Okay. A bit top. Then the rest is the rest.
Okay. Okay, it's 20 to 25 minutes.
20-25 minutes.
Isn't that?
Wow. Okay, that's a long while. So okay, we put that to one side while we open the other ones, right?
Number 1. Karate chop.
Wait,
So
we
how many
got
do you
that.
get?
There's more bags now.
Yeah.
There's
Magnetic.
So you get a magnet. Let's see the magnet.
My favorite.
Pretzels. So we get a pretzel magnet. And then how many?
6 bags.
6 bags. Ooh.
I'm gonna build it.
Wait.
Tick.
So there is 60 collect.
Yeah.
Wow. So
It's the red moon at the back. It's my favorite marble drink. I've got 5 bottles at home.
there's quite a lot there to collect.
If you look at the back, there's red moon and like it's a marble drink. And I have 5 at home. I have 5 drinks at home.
And you've got those jelly, and you've got these ice lolly to make. Is it jelly? No, it's like these are legendary ones.
Yeah, but it's one of them, like I've got it's a marble drink and I've got 5 at home. Nice. A cola, pineapple, and 3 original. What does original taste like?
Okay.
Ready? Got this one?
Yeah. This is lamb chop. Lamb chop.
So we've got the soy sauce.
Here goes. It's an oat straw. But I don't know why it looks like that.
Yeah, an orange bottle or something like that.
Maybe. Oh, number 2.
Magnet. A, B, C. A, B, C. Oh.
A, B, C, D, E.
So that's our magnet.
What flavor is it?
What flavor?
Which one is it?
Huh? I don't know. It looks like a noodle.
Our first duplicate.
You can close it. Look.
Cute.
Can we close that? No, you can just do this. It's not really heat closed. Tray. You can open it.
Can you take out the fruit?
Yes, you can take out the fruits. How cool is that?
But do you know which one they go in?
If only they're edible.
Our milk.
Number 3. Chop again. Nice. Got magnet.
Not bagel, it's a baguette.
Oh.
A baguette. What's that? Patty. This is a patty. We've got another can.
It's so cool.
Chocolate. Cooked lobster. Some water.
Water dents.
Chicken wings. You got chicken wings.
It's one of the.
Oh, the chicken wings do come out.
It's a comment. They're red because they're golden.
So that's our tray of chicken wings.
Bowl number 4. Oh, wait.
Here's the the magnets.
Egg.
Eggy.
So we've got a sunny side up magnet.
Very thin. Okay.
I see all the hands on this.
Oh,
I don't know if it's like. I thought it was just like a little. It's a pizza, I bet.
I don't know which type.
Pepperoni.
I feel like it come out.
Potatoes.
Mashed potato. Is it mashed
Home
potato
style.
or ready baked meal? There.
Home style mashed potatoes. Okay.
It's cool. Is it the same one or different?
You've got broccoli in it. Why broccoli?
I know it's a different.
So we've got a Chinese takeaway and oh, it's actually Panda Express.
Yeah.
All of them have like brown.
There's Panda Express.
First blue bag.
Duplicate.
Broccoli.
Oh, look at this broccoli. So cool. It's broccoli bag.
Got like jam, honey.
I'm not sure, but it looks like honey. Can we open? No, can't really open it.
Again.
Duplicate.
The last spoon. Always know I gotta do it. Magnets. Eggs. And toast.
Oh, egg on toast.
Yeah. One other one.
So another duplicate.
On the end.
We had on the end yesterday. Soft pretzels. I see one of the duplicate
Is it the same? Oh yeah, it's duplicate. We haven't got no luxury ones.
Well, let's put them in these bags. Fresh milk again.
No.
Oh,
Thanks.
We got this one already.
Yeah.
come on. It has to be a luxurious one.
Or else.
Last bag, last bag.
I swear it's the same one. It's a rotisserie chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, it's frozen chicken. You see it?
Rotisserie chicken.
It's a luxury.
No. Yes.
You do.
Oh, it is.
It's a luxury. I got it. Yay!
Oh, we got it because we bought it.
Shall we assemble them in the fridge?
Okay.
Okay, let's do that.
But like, why
Oh
is
wait, what about the jelly?
that every day
I
I'm
don't think it's
jelly?
gonna-
The jelly's been in there for 20 minutes.
Yeah, so 20 to 25. No, wait, it's still liquid like. Wait, touch it. Yeah, it's like solid right now.
Then just put it to one side, we do that later.
All the things that we opened. Now let's put them
in the fridge, but the jelly has been isolated, so we need to be careful with the jelly. Okay, I don't know why water will be in here, but like, yeah. Oh. Where should I put the water? There?
There, you can put it here.
Oh yeah.
You can remove these. No, water goes down there.
Oh.
We don't need to put that there.
And then the water is in there. Nice. Fresh. Got 3 triplets. Nice. Then put all of these somewhere. Down there. I'll say down there. Okay. Okay. Got all the drinks. Where should I actually put these?
I don't know. Put them on the side. Put them on the side.
Yeah. I don't know where the other one went, but like, it's right here.
I love this chicken.
Okay, I don't know how to put it back in there.
Who buys a package website? When you buy that at like a fancy restaurant,
Yeah.
you won't just buy it.
You would home cook it.
That in. Our cans are on the side. Our jam might not fit.
It does.
So put jam on the side.
Oh, see, that was hard anyway. So you got pizza. You keep pizza in the fridge.
Oh, yogurt.
Another pizza. Chicken, I guess. On top. Okay.
Broccoli is this frozen broccoli?
I just
You can put something in there. So we can put our broccoli into the freezer. Oopsie. Freezer.
What's in the fridge? So, oh no. Wait, you still need
the jelly.
And then this is all Julie's,
Creation.
not Julie's, but it's all of the magnet.
Wait,
You can put,
you still need to put this inside.
no, not yet. You haven't done your jelly yet.
But how are we supposed to store it?
Until you get your jelly.
The new fridge. The jelly. Okay, so I don't think it's ready yet, but it's like solidified.
I don't think not
We got our jelly creation.
Ooh. There's our jelly.
Now we have to case it so it does not cause any more trouble. Ooh. And we are
Done.
finished. This is my dream
Now-
childhood.
Julie, you can put it into
The
the
thing
fridge.
that I always wanted to do is see the fridge turn off. On, off, on, off. You don't even know. The jelly? Very nice. The jelly goes on top. But, well, maybe not on top.
The bottom.
No, I don't know what we should do. So, bye bye,
You
jelly.
can put it in the fridge innit? And then you just.
Bye bye, jelly. You be solidified. Oh. I can see it.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Nice fridge.